gravitational force. Okay, so what do you mean by gravitational force? The force of attraction between any two bodies of the universe is called as a gravitational force. Okay, so based on the gravitational force only, Newton called as a proposed law is known as Newton's law of gravitation. So what the statement we have discussed, the derivation part also we have discussed. What the statement? According to him, the force of attraction between the any two bodies which is directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Okay, so we have considered two objects, two bodies A and B having the masses m1 and m2, and they have separated a small distance called as r. So we have applied Newton's law of gravitation. So written the mathematical equation F proportional to m1 m2, okay, and F proportional to 1 by r square. Okay, so we have given the equation number 1 for this and equation 2 for this already. So combining the equation we got F proportional to m1 m2 divided by r square. So remove the proportional be taken as a capital G as a constant. So m1 m2 divided by r square. So this is called as a new expression for the Newton's law of gravitation we have discussed. Okay, so not only that much, we have studied about the characteristics of the gravitational force. So gravitational force is attractive force in nature. It is a long range force. It is a central force. Okay, so many of the properties you can call as characteristics of the Newton's law of gravitation we have studied here. Okay, so it forms a pair, action and reaction pair it will form. So that what action and reaction pair is there as a fifth I have given as a characteristic. So that we will come to know that from this concept. So in today's class we are going to study about Newton's law in vector form. So उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे बोले तो, so we have to consider two bodies of masses m1 and m2 separated by a distance of small r. Let r12 and r21 be the position vectors of two bodies. समझ में आया? Let r be the distance between the two bodies. Getting? So comma and shown in below figure. As shown in below figure. जैसे जैसे sentences यहाँ पे how we are writing in the form of sentences, we should write in the form of as a diagram as well. So we have considered what? One object, another object. Object बोले तो body लेंगे. यहाँ पे body लिखे ना. So two bodies we have considered. Okay. So from here to here, this is called the distance as r. वो दोनों के बीच में separation कितना है? R is the separation is r. Then here r12, here how much force will act? F12. So this is F21 with the force acting, and this is R21 with the position vector for this body. देखो यहाँ consider two bodies, एक बॉडी दो बॉडी. ओके, दो बॉडी कंसीडर की. सो इसका मास कितना है? m1 और एक बॉडी का मास m2। सो सेपरेटेड बाय डिस्टेंस, वो दोनों के बीच में डिस्टेंस कितना है? नेक्स्ट, r12 and r21 be the position vectors, r12 and r21 be the position vectors of two bodies, r12 a body का position vector, r21 a body का position, okay, r be the separation be the between two bodies, that's shown in a figure. Now the body or the mass m2 is attracted by mass m1 with force f21 is given by, so ये यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? मास m2, इसको m1 बोलेंगे, इसको m2 बोलेंगे, ओके। सो ये m2 क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? इसको अपनी तरफ खींच रहे हो विद सम फोर्स कॉल्ड f21 से। सो कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम? इज गिवन बाय f21 इज इक्वल टू यस g m1 m2 डिवाइडेड बाय r स्क्वायर r21, और द इक्वेशन नंबर 1। गेटिंग? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज इक्वेशन नंबर 1। सिमिलरली कैसे लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे फॉर द नेक्स्ट बॉडी? Similarly, the mass m1 is attracted by mass m2 with a force f12 is given by, so कैसे लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे? So f12 is equals to g m1 m2 divided by r square r12. So this is called the force, the mass m2 is attracting body towards m2 with forces of m1, m1 को अपनी तरफ खींच रहा है, कितने फोर्स से? f12 से। इतना इक्वेशन लिखे using the Newton's law. So similarly here m1 is attracting m2, so m1 क्या करे? इसको अपनी तरफ खींच रहा हो, कितने फोर्स से? वो f12 से। So इसलिए ये इक्वेशन, okay। Now but r12 is equals to minus r21, क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखो r12 जितना है उतना ही r21 है, मगर ये इसका डायरेक्शन इधर है, इसका डायरेक्शन, ये दोनों अपने अपने अपोजिट में है वो। सो अगर ये पॉजिटिव रहा तो ये नेगेटिव रहेगा, उसका मैग्नीट्यूड्स आर सेम बट देयर डायरेक्शंस आर अपोजिट। सो हेंस क्या करना है यहाँ पे? इक्वेशन 2 becomes, इक्वेशन 2 क्या है? क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे? f12 is equal to g m1 m2 divided by r square, r12 की जगह पे क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? माइनस r21 लिख सकते हैं ना? तो इसको मैं लिखूंगा नाउ f12 is equals to, ये माइनस यहाँ पे बाहर गया, माइनस g m1 m2 divided by r square r21, so f12 therefore minus ये g देखो, g m1 ऐसे g m1 m2 by r square r21 किसका वैल्यू है? इसकी जगह पे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? f21 लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि f21 बोले तो इतने सारे वैल्यू देखते हैं आप। सो g m1 m2 by r square r21, so this obeys Newton's third law of motion. So यहाँ पे क्या बताते हैं हम? This obeys Newton's third third law of motion, that is number 5 as a characteristics. So Newton's law or gravitation force forms an action reaction pair. So this is F12 is equal to minus F21. This is called the expression or the vector form of Newton's law. Okay. So in tomorrow's class we are going to study about the